Guys, many of my students face this problem. They don't know where to get their paints from and they end up buying the wrong paint. So in this video, I will tell you exactly where to buy your paints from. So if you are new to this channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel. Come on, let's start the video. So guys, first let me differentiate between oil paints and automotive paints. Now these oil paints are very easy to get. You will get them in most of the hardware shops where you get pipes, nails, hammers. That is the place to buy the oil paints. Now these oil paints are not automotive paints. They are totally different. Please don't mix them with automotive paints. Now to buy automotive paints, you'll have to first locate where is a automotive paint shop. Now these shops are not many. There are very few in the state. They are not like the hardware shops where in every market there is one. But these automotive shops are rare and you will have to find them. Now there are many ways how you can find these shops. The first way is you will have to just type on Google Maps and hit search. If you are in a tier 1 city, then most probably you will get the location. But if you are in a tier 2 or tier 3 cities where the maps are not updated much, Google Maps will not be able to help you. So what can you do next? So the next thing that you'll have to do is search for a Autobody shop where they do the dent repair, car painting and all that stuff. Because for sure where you live there will be a Autobody shop. So it's your job to find that one first. Once you find that, you will have to ask the painter where he buys his stuff from. Sometimes he might tell you, sometimes he may not tell you. If he tells you, then it's fine. If he doesn't tell you, then you'll have to take it out. You will have to ask him questions in such a way that he will tell you. You can tell him that you want him to paint your bike, what type of paint he uses and where he buys his paint. On that he will tell you where he buys his paint. And now you know the address. The next thing, you'll have to search for that shop and locate it. Once you find that shop, you know where to find your paints from. Now what questions to ask on the automotive paint shop, how to ask the questions. That if you want to know, then I will make a video on that as well. Then see that you like this video and put in a comment below that you want to know what to ask there. If this video gets 50 likes, then for sure I'm making that video. Because on this type of automotive paint shops, you get many other stuff as well apart from the paints. So now I will give you a project. Go and find the automotive paint shop which is nearby to you guys, where you can buy the automotive paints. And once you find the shop, come back to this video and comment below and let me know that you found it. And when you are commenting, see that you mention your state and your location. So on this, we will know how many of you guys found the paint shop. Now guys, if you want to learn Autobody and painting seriously, then I have created a course on it where I teach step by step on how to Autobody and paint. So if you want to learn, then go down below and get yourself enrolled. And if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Rysonsspraybooth signing out until we meet again.